Miramar, Florida. A Ring doorbell captured police using a canine dog to track down the scent of a shooting suspect this past weekend. We hope they catch that guy. We hope they catch him.
Leave it.
The dog checks out the food bowl, but gets right back to the job. We hope they catch this guy.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.